Hey guys, what's up? My name is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. I make new videos every Sunday, and for today's video, I'm finally getting around to giving you guys the apartment tour. So I actually moved into a new place back in June, and I'm just now getting to show you guys the apartment, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I will also be highlighting my favorite parts of each room, and I will be linking any of the products or any of the items that I like or mention down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this apartment tour started. So as soon as you walk into my apartment, to the left-hand side, I have the kind of dining and eating area. Here I have a little bar table that I sanded and stained, matched up with two IKEA stools that I purchased from IKEA. And then over that, I have this really cool travel map that was gifted to me by one of my friends for my birthday, and you basically just scratch off the places that you've been to. And then moving on to the kitchen, it's basically just your average galley kitchen, but on the fridge I have magnets of the places I've been. That utensil holder I actually got from Home Goods, and this spoon rest I got from Target. And on the other side here, I have my wine opener, my salt holder, this really cute elephant sponge holder, and then my favorite part of the whole kitchen is my spice rack display. And with this here, I actually made this myself by ordering these jars from Amazon, my label maker, and ordering some really strong magnets. But just label your spices and fill them in and have the magnets attached to the inside of the lid. That way it can adhere to any metal surface. This is the overall look of the living room. So as you guys can see, I have my couch paired there with two cushion pillows, this yarn art that I made myself, and then one of my favorite parts too are these little shadow boxes for each place that I've been so far in the last couple of years. I just put all my little travel stubs in there, and it makes for a really cool decor piece. Here we see this trunk table that I made also myself, and the overall entertainment area there with the TV and these cute little light up branches. Moving on into the bedroom. So my bedroom is one of my favorites because I think everything just kind of has a vibe and kind of meshes well together. So we'll take a look at my bed. So my bed has a headboard that I created myself with an overhanging branch with some fairy lights. And then here we also see a salt lamp and my watercraft that I got from Amazon. And I really like it because it's so convenient to have some water by your bedside. Now we're moving on to what I call my glam station, which is my dresser. There you saw where I have my jewelry displayed, some more jewelry, my makeup, and then my favorite part here, which is my sunglass display. These I actually ordered from Amazon. They're supposed to be nail polish holders, but I use them to display my sunglasses, and I think it's a really cool way to do that. That round mirror I ordered from Target, and then I have my hat collection displayed up above. Moving on into the bathroom. So the bathroom, those three pieces that you guys are seeing there, I created those. These shelves and these little baskets. The baskets I got from Home Goods, and then the shelves I got from Michael's. So panning over to the shower area, those hooks there I got also from Home Goods. That shower curtain's actually from Walmart, and the bath mat is from Marshall's. Alright guys, so that does it for the apartment tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below if you're not part of the family already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.